Hey guys, Mercedes Mike here. Still in Wichita. I'm actually heading over to a parts store right now to pick up some oil. And then I'm heading over to a shop. I don't know if it's owned by gamblers or they just work there or what, but they've invited me over there so I can change the front shocks on this silly thing so I can stop this terrible ride. But yeah, just heading over there right now. Probably shouldn't pull out in front of that car. And I'll be working on the car, like really working on the car for the first time on this trip. So that'll be fun. Try to set up the cameras to capture that silliness, because I'm sure that it will be silliness. Already tearing her down. You look real close. See if I can get this. This is all hammered, and the it's just messed up. And of course the shock has been blown out for some time, but you know, this in here, probably can't even see it. Yeah, I probably need to get some light on it, but anyway, changing out the shocks, changing out a little Earl. It's time, 5,000 miles in. So I'm just gonna set this up. There's your difference. Wrong shock versus less wrong shock. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, we're all done. Mercedes Mike here. We're finishing up this stupid car, oil change, front shocks. Lots of help from some fellow gamblers. Much appreciated. ABG. Truck's all put back together. Had a good time with those guys. And the gamblers are always here to help. It's great. I just put a post up on Facebook, said, hey, who's got a shop or a garage or a driveway I can work in? Man, these guys, oh, we got a shop. Come on over. And they're guys I'd even met before. They were out in Washington for a long time, so that was kind of cool. Yeah, they just hooked me up, you know, working indoors. Had a really good rain right in the middle of it. I'm glad I wasn't in a driveway. I get kind of cranky when I have to get wet. There it goes. But yeah, oil change and new front shocks, the Rancho shocks. They took someone's recommendation on the 163 forums on Facebook. 163 group, whatever you call them now. Yeah, they recommended I run Hummer H2 shocks, and I bought some Rancho 9000s, put them on. Man, they're fantastic. Thing rides like a real vehicle now. Totally different truck. Doesn't feel like I'm gonna die every time I go around a corner and hit a little bump. The rear struts are still bad. They could use replacing, but they're not, you know, it's not a dance with death every time. So I got a little bounce back there, but man, having good front shocks, that is everything. So I still gotta get out and gamble. I'm gonna get some food first. I'm gonna tool around, get back in the hotel for a minute. It is pretty here. I liked Kansas City, but I am really impressed with Wichita. I did not think I would like this place, and I don't know why. Yeah, I think I'll be spending the weekend bombing through Texas, doing some pit stops, saying hi to some people. That's probably a good state to be in on the weekend because it's so big. But I'll be taking the route through Dallas and into Austin, San Antonio, Brownsville, be going all the way down. So anyway, I'm gonna try to find a place to off-road a little later and pick up some trash, hopefully. Yeah, see what I can do. A little too much time at the Mexican restaurant. What a place though. Great food. I mean, you know, Cinco de Mayo, they weren't being all pomp and circumstance about it. They were pretty chill. So I'm just traveling back to the hotel. I'm gonna take it easy tonight, get some good rest, work tomorrow morning, work tomorrow all day, and head down to Oklahoma City. Sometime in between there, I'll need to find a little off-road spot because I failed to do so today or yesterday or the day before, but I will do it while I'm in Kansas. So that's part of my thing. So anyway, thanks everyone for liking the videos and subscribing. You know, tell your friends if they're interested in this sort of thing. I don't know, I watched a lot of similar videos by a lot of other people, and it's fun, you know. As much as I would like to travel, it's fun to watch other people travel, to see the trials and tribulations that they go through, especially these guys that drive all over the country. That's just cool to me, and I'm experiencing it and sharing it with you guys. So anyway, like, subscribe, follow, all that stuff if you like, and I'll see you guys on the road.